Here we have it, folks, a soft autumn. You're going, wait, Boston. No, that doesn't look like a soft autumn. Well, I'm gonna show you that it is. The recipe. So we know she's a soft autumn, okay, fine. What do we see? A, she's gonna be a warm undertone, okay, correct. Then we look at her value. Is she look somewhere like a light summer, a light spring? No. Now, does she look as deep as somebody who would be in a deep winter, deep autumn? No. So she's somewhere in the middle, right? So we cancel out the extreme season, so to speak, and we put her somewhere in the middle. Now, of those middle categories, you can see from a chroma perspective, is she super bright or does she have more of that muted effect where the features sort of blend into each other in a harmonious way? We established she's a soft autumn, so you have to say yes, she is soft. But you want the proof. I get it. The proof is in the seasoning. Let's go. Now you're saying from the first image that I showed on this video, she's definitely a winter or a deep autumn, right? Well, you can look at these pictures on the left and you're probably drawn to them, but you're drawn to the depth of the colors before you actually see the image. Now, if you see on the light summer, she appears more washed out, of course, because those light colors are pushing more light onto her skin, which of course is washing her out. Now with the soft autumn, if you compare it to the deep autumn, yes, it appears like, oh, there's a little bit more of this graying going on, but it's not. It's not a gray. Now see, if you look closer here on the left, she's actually more evened and balanced. Her skin appears more cohesive versus on the left in the deep, her cheeks have more of a red highlight. She looks a little bit more, I guess, blotchy, if you will, versus on the right, there will be way more harmony if she wears those colors. And maybe you said, no, I think she still looked better in the deeper colors. Well, here we can see in the individual colors, the color on the right, the deep autumn, literally dump on top of her face, so to speak, especially in that green, versus if you look at the softer colors, there is more of this blending. It's almost like she's melting into the palettes versus the palette sitting on top of her skin. And that is the goal, folks. I know people are drawn to the brighter colors and therefore say, oh, you know, she looks better in that because that's what they notice, the color. But the reality is we're looking for harmony in color so that when people wear stuff, it's a little bit more blended and people can focus on the face and how the colors blend versus just focusing on, wow, I really love that green shirt on you. It's so bright and so fantastic versus, wow, that's your color. You look amazing. As always, if you're looking to get your best colors, I am here to help you on that journey, whether it's through education